What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Hope everyone's being safe and having a wonderful day out there. Today's video, doing a backsplash in this kitchen today. Subway tile, 3 by 6 white subway tile. Alright, so I'm gonna give you guys a look here. So we're gonna work from this cabinet, going like this. Put a piece of wood right here to support the tile. Going all the way around, coming all the way up to this molding here. Right, then the other side, from this side here, wrapping around here. This is the tile, subway tile here, 3 by 6, and then this is the tile adhesive I'm gonna be using there. Right, then we're gonna come like this and then finish up over here. All right, so gonna start from this side, work my way this way. Let's get started. Alright, so that's finished. And I'm using a plastic edging. This right there, 3/8 inch plastic edging. Alright, so this side finished. I'm gonna work over here now. Continue here, finish up over here. Right, and then this side here already finished. Alright, so we're gonna start from here now. Alright, so I finished with the tile. It's been drying now for about 2 hours. Gonna start grouting. So I have the gray grout here. Silver grout to match with the counter right here. So I already started this piece here. I'm gonna work my way this way. Go like this, alright? Alright, so we just finished the backsplash here. So it's a 3x6 tile here, and this kitchen is a white shaker cabinet kitchen with a granite countertop, and we put silver grout. Right, so I'll give you guys a look here now. So this is one section here. And then coming to the other side here. the kitchen here, white shaker cabinets, upper and lower piece, and then the granite. That's the granite there. Alright, so this is the whole kitchen here. Alright, so that's the end of the video. Alright, so white subway tile with grey grout. So please remember to like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video.